Cooking verbs with sentences. Listen and repeat. Fry. Fry. Example: the French fries were fried until they were crispy. Bake. Bake. Example: the cookies were baked in the oven until they were golden brown. Grate. Grate. Example: we need to grate some cheese for the pizza. Roll out. Roll out. Example: roll out the dough for a pie crust. Mix. Mix. Example: mix the flour for the cake. Sift. Sift. Example: you should sift the flour before mixing it. Poach. Poach. Example: the eggs were poached until they were soft and tender. Boil. Boil. Example: I always boil the water before making tea. Spread. Spread. Example: spread the butter on the toast. Drain. Drain. Example: drain the noodle when it is cooked. Saute. Saute. Example: I sauteed some vegetables for a side dish. Roast. Roast. Example: I roasted a chicken for Sunday dinner. Grill. Grill. Example: I grilled some burgers for dinner. Pour. Pour. Example: pour me some water, please. Mash. Mash. Example: you should mash the potato for dinner. Chop. Chop. Example: the onions were chopped and added to the soup. Mince. Mince. Example: the garlic was minced and added to the sauce. Blend. Blend. Example: blend the fruit to make a smoothie. Stew. Stew. Example: I made a beef stew for dinner. Simmer. Simmer. Example: I simmered the sauce for an hour. Marinate. Marinate. Example: I marinated the chicken in a spicy sauce overnight. Melt. Melt. Example: melt the butter in a small pan. Taste. Taste. Example: taste the soup to see if it needs salt. Scramble. Scramble. Example: scramble the egg for breakfast. Dip. Dip. Example: I love to dip some fries into a ketchup. Peel. Peel. Example: I peeled the potatoes before boiling them. Slice. Slice. Example: I sliced the apples for the pie. Dice. Dice. Example: I diced the tomatoes for the salad. Whip. Whip. Example: I whipped the cream for the cake. Knead. Knead. Example: I kneaded the dough for the bread. Steam. Steam. Example: I steamed the vegetables for a healthy side dish. Broil. Broil. Example: I broiled the fish for a few minutes. Break. Break. Example: break the egg into a bowl. Squeeze. Squeeze. Example: squeeze the lemon for lemonade. How often do you cook? Comment below. For cooking phrasal verb videos, touch the screen and subscribe to my channel.